Over the years, IT complexity has grown while efficiency has plummeted. Virtualization reverses this trend, simplifying IT infrastructure so you can do more with less. Virtualization lets you run your applications on fewer physical servers. Through virtualization, each app and operating system live in a separate software container called a virtual machine, or VM. VMs are completely isolated, but computing resources, CPUs, storage, and networking are pooled together and delivered dynamically to each VM by software called a hypervisor. Every application gets what it needs for peak performance. With all your servers running at full capacity, you don't need nearly as many. Hardware count and overhead drop dramatically, while application performance improves by leaps and bounds. Bottom line, greater value at lower cost, with less complexity and faster maintenance. Now
I want to take a couple of minutes to welcome you to my new course on virtualization. I'm calling it Virtual Economics. This course is for audiences that are new or have some novice skill in the world of computer science. Could be anywhere from middle school, high school to college level students. This is just to let you know alternative and efficient ways how you could utilize your systems to save money and time. And in its time where budget for school and home is a bit tight, I think virtualization would be a good venue for us to save some money. So over the course of the next couple of weeks, here's what we're going to be going through. So this is what to expect. We're going to start off, of course, by doing just a brief introduction, that you know what virtualization is, the different challenges is, and the different types of way to virtualize your machine, the advantages and the disadvantages, because I mean that's the main way to choose something, and then how to implement a simple virtual machine at home, at school, your office, and how to save some money. So that is what you should expect over the next couple of weeks through this course. So we've been talking about virtualization. What is it? So virtualization basically is running multiple operating system on the same hardware or the same machine. So you have the capability of having one or two computers, but on that one computer you're running several different machines that can save you a lot of time instead of going out and buying several different machines to do several different things. You're running it on the same machine. Also, a good advantage to the virtualization machines is that when it comes to virus protection, this is a good way to protect your system. Because if you're running a virtual machine and that virtual machine gets a virus, you could just delete it and you don't have to worry about any viruses or virus program or anything like that. So for virtualization, virtual machine is running a simulated platform. Everything is simulated, the software and the hardware is simulated, and this platform is basically called a VM machine or VMware. As we go through the course, we'll explain this some more. We go through the history and the setup, and this will become more clearer to you. So basically, virtualization running multiple operation system, just simulating software or hardware upon one single software system. So this is the roadmap. We're gonna accomplish our VRE course by basically going through the history and background, common tenets of virtualization, reviewing the purpose and the potential of it, going through some basic home setup, and just making sure we understand how to properly implement it, how to set up our system. So I'm hoping you'll enjoy this course and you'll come back and you'll learn something. This hosted on the Canvas LMS system for now. I may be researching other LMS to host this course. To the left, you have the basic layout of how the course will progress from here out. Next, in iteration, we'll start with the common tenets and the history and background of virtualization. Here is the to the right, you have the link for Canvas, but all course information and login has been sent to your student email. So you could go ahead and log in and follow to your email and follow that link to the course. Information for this course again, as I said, it's hosted on Canvas. I'll be using OpenShot Video Editor a lot to make my presentation, my video, also screen-o-matic to deliver my content and my lectures. Information for the course itself is taken from the virtualization essential for VMware from VMware Inc. And as the course goes along, I'll find other resources and other means of information. So again, I want to welcome you to this course, and I look forward to instructing you from here on out. Again, this is Jermaine Dobney. Welcome to VR-E Virtualization Economics.